Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a popular 1930 song written by Sam Stept and Sidney Clare. I'll have a go at singing it and then I'll tell you more about it and go through all the chords and the strumming patterns. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone, though our friendship ceases from now on. And if you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk, is my advice. You go your way, I'll go mine, it's best that we do. Here's a kiss, I hope that this brings lots of luck to you. It makes no difference how I carry on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. You go your way, I'll go mine, it's best that we do. Here's a kiss, I hope that this brings lots of luck to you. It makes no difference how I carry on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. No, please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Well, as I say, this is a 1930 song written by Sam H. Stept, who was born in Ukraine and was just 3 years old when his family went to the United States. The lyrics by the comedian Sidney Clare, who also wrote the lyrics for the good ship Lollipop for Shirley Temple. The original publication also credited jazz singer and dancer Bee Palmer, who first introduced the song, as a co-composer. It's a great song. It can be sung by either a man or a woman. In the introduction, however, he or she admits, "We can't get along because I've broken every vow." So maybe others should be warned. I don't know. I'll leave that up to you. I've attached a copy of the original sheet music so you can read the words for yourself. And you can also note that you could read the box chords, but notice that the ukulele tuning is given as B flat, E flat, G and C, which is 3 semitones higher than is normal today. So the names of the chords are different, but the chord box shapes are very familiar. Early recording was by Gene Austin and Bill Lown in 1933, and it's also been recorded by other big names like the Mills Brothers, Frank Sinatra, K-Star, Bing Crosby, Sammy Davis Jr., Doris Day, Johnny Ray, Ella Fitzgerald, Bill Haley, Dean Martin, and so on and so on. So it's worth having a go at. This song is in the key of C, so the first chord is a C chord, and then there follows a series of secondary sevenths. If you don't know what I mean by this, have a look at my video on how chords are built. The most usual chords, there are 2 there. So we've got an E C chord followed by an E7. E7 is 5 in the key of A. Next one is A7. A5, A7 is 5 in the key of D. D7. D7 is 5 in the key of G. G7. And back to C. Then there's just a fill in, C sharp minor. And that goes all the way through. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk, is my advice. Then the middle section, you start with an E7 chord. You go your way, am I? E is 5 in the key of A, so A7. It's best that we do little suspension. Don't have to do that. D7, A is 5 in the key of D, so here's a kiss, I hope that this. G7, again just a little fill in. And then the same goes on for the same pattern. At the end, don't talk about me when I'm gone. Go to an A7 chord, and then a D7. Don't talk about me when I'm gone. I end with an optional here, an A flat chord, and up to a C chord, or you can go here just for finish, or you can go here just to finish with the C chord. You don't have to do that. That A flat chord is a bit unusual. You can call it a German seventh, or you can call it an F minor 7 with the root missing. It doesn't matter. It sounds nice. And you don't have to do that again. Strumming pattern really well. You can go through the whole lot here with just "Please don't talk about me when I'm gone," with the occasional, you like. But when you do the instrumental bit, you can really go to town. Do whatever you fancy. If you want some help with that, some ideas, have a look at my videos on strumming patterns on the ukulele and the most common strumming patterns on the ukulele. Well, I hope you found that interesting and useful, and I hope you'll have a go at it. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.